Sveiki, aš esu ambasadorė gerų žinių Eugenija. Šiandieną sutikau, man labai pasisekė, kad sutikau nuostabią, žavingą, labai geros nuotaikas visada spinduliuojančią seserį, kurios aš paprašiau pasidalinti geromis žiniomis. Please.
Hello, hi. It's so beautiful to share something with you, our good news with you. And my good news for you today is I love smiling actually. You know, smiling energizes a person. When we are sad, we cry and we don't show our smile to anybody. And it is so difficult to make a person smile. But when a person smile, what happens? The whole body and each and every cell of the body get energized. So every moment you give a smile, you share a smile with somebody, which means you energize yourself as well as you energize the other person. So therefore, today I would like to tell you how important it is, because it is a divine medicine. Smiling is a divine medicine. It heals you automatically. When you smile, your pains and aches and everything goes away, and the smile, the energy that you get from your smile, it makes you energized, and you go around saying hi to people, and everyone who come across and everyone who meets you, they will be filled with a beautiful spirit. So therefore today I'll ask you and I request you, just share this, and this is given free of charge from above, and you can share this with free of charge. This is the only thing that we can give free to the whole of universe. So why not you share one at a time, pass at every passing minute of the day. So I wish you all God's blessings and many more smiles and laughter in your life. Praise the Lord.